Welcome Baba. Hashtag 100 million smiles because smiles are blissful.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel hashtag 100 million smiles. So today's video is about things that I have stopped buying. So yeah, let's see what I have stopped buying and get started with the video. The first thing I have stopped buying is face masks because I hoard a lot of them. This one is from Biotique. I have lot of them. Biotique से बहुत सारे face masks है. They are like god of face masks. So yeah, Biotique se hai. Also I have some of the Ayurvedic or natural kind of, this is Morocca red clay face mask. This is like a powder form which I have to mix it with water or rose water, anything like that. मेरे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे face mask है and I think that I don't need to buy any more of them, and that is the reason I have stopped buying face masks right now. Maybe once I'm done with all the face masks I will again buy few of them, but right now I think I don't need them anymore. Second thing I stopped buying is sunglasses. This one is from Ray-Ban. Okay, I have like 2 pairs of sunglasses. There was time where I used to hoard all that cheap sunglasses, but with time I have realized that sunglasses with that cheap quality is of no use. Instead I got this pair of sunglasses. They go with every outfit. This is how they look. I'll just show you. This is like one of the most costly sunglasses I have like bought for myself. Also I have one more. This is from, I don't know which brand is this. You guys can, if you guys can read this. Also I have this one. I have only 2 pairs of glasses. I don't hoard any more glasses, even the cheap ones. This is like middle range from like 500 or 600 kind of, and this is a little more costly. You can go on Ray-Ban site and search for it. Also you might get it on Myntra or something like that. And I have this one, like the whole black, the black one, a little cat eye look. And yeah, they both go very good with my outfit. So I have 2 of my sunglasses and I don't buy any more of them, especially the cheap ones. I prefer not to buy the cheap ones. I just don't like them anymore because, like, especially they break down very easily, and like I just don't like it anymore. So the next product I have stopped buying is makeup wipes. I have stopped really using makeup wipes because like इतना सा तो पैकेट आता है, उसमें रहते ही मुश्किल से कितने हैं. So yeah, I just use a cotton pads with sometimes the oil based makeup removers or the masala water, or also I have the Clinique balm. I use that, but I never use makeup wipes. Yeah, there was time I used to use this Johnson Baby ka makeup wipes to remove my makeup, but first thing what happens is it really like give me rashes. My skin gets red after I remove my makeup with that. So yeah, I have stopped using the makeup wipes from any brand. I use micellar water, maybe from Pond's or some other brand. Now right now I'm using the Pond's one. I'm also using the Clinique, which the Clinique balm, they also have micellar water in that. The balm is really amazing. It never leaves your face oily. Also it removes the eye makeup really good. So you guys should try it out. And yeah, that is the reason I don't buy makeup wipes anymore. So yeah, the next thing is very important. I have stopped using sanitary pads. Yeah, but instead of that I use menstrual cups. If you guys don't know what menstrual cup is, I'll place a picture over here so that you guys can know how menstrual cup looks. And lot of you are uncomfortable using menstrual cup, or you don't have like knowledge about it. Do let me know. I have experienced using menstrual cups, so if you guys want to know, do let me know in the comment section. But yeah, trust me guys, you need to stop using sanitary pads or tampons. Firstly, tampons are not at all good for your body, also for your health. And also the sanitary pads, they are like, अभी से इतने साल तक how much ever sanitary pads you have used, that is still on earth. I just thinking about that, I just get so disturbed and I feel so yuck about it, because that's not a good thing for our environment as well. Also, menstrual cups are very, very nature friendly. You can use it for years and years after sanitizing it. It's a very good product, you should try it out. Also, I'm not sponsoring any of the products, I use it and it's my personal experience. So the next thing comes in like personal care, that is not actually buying but stop using it, that is doing waxing. I literally hate doing waxing, but yeah, obviously I can't just keep my hands all hairy and legs hairy. It's not, I don't feel comfortable. If you do feel comfortable, it's absolutely okay if you don't do it anyways, but still I prefer using the Venus Gel Bar razor. It is very good. I'm not showing this part because might be a little ugly. Again, this is environmental friendly, you're not using a lot of wax, but still, I know it is not like completely environmental friendly, but you don't need to throw the whole part. You can remove, okay wait, you can remove the blade and you can buy a new one anytime. So yeah, you don't need to buy a new razor. Also, I don't use any cheap razors because I swear by this one, this doesn't give me any rashes. Other razors give me rashes, so I prefer not to buy them. None of the like cheap razors, I don't buy them anymore, not from Miniso, not from any other brand other than the Venus Gel Bar. They are amazing. Also, if you don't need the Gel Bar one, they have the blue one, aloe vera one, I guess. I'll place a picture over here so that you guys can know the other one. This one is amazing, I swear by this one right now. But yeah, पहले मैं वो blue वाला use करती थी जब ये launch नहीं हुआ था, and that one was good as well. I just so the main thing is I have stopped waxing my hands because I don't think it is necessary at all. I don't want to hurt myself. So including that, I don't do threading as well. I shave my eyebrows off. Because of threading, I get like the small pimples, if you guys can see. That's the reason I shave my whole face with a razor. If you guys want to know how I do that, do let me know in the comment section. The next thing is deodorants. There was a time that I used to like love deodorants. मैं perfume बिल्कुल use नहीं करती थी. But I realized that deodorants are not good for your body. मैंने ऐसा पढ़ा है कि it also causes cancer and all of this. So I have really stopped using deodorants. I think you know about it, like the bottle one. So yeah, I have stopped using deodorants, but I do hold a lot of perfumes and I am gonna continue using them. Also, I prefer not to buy the cheap perfumes because they might stain your clothes or also give you like alcohol burn or something like that. So I avoid buying most of the time. Actually, I don't really have any cheap perfumes, so yeah, I don't buy any cheap perfumes. Also, if you guys want like a good quality but कम प्राइस में परफ्यूम्स, डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक माई परफ्यूम कलेक्शन वाला वीडियो. उसमें आई हैव शोड सम ऑफ द ज़ारा परफ्यूम्स विच इज़ वेरी चीप एंड गुड क्वालिटी एट द सेम टाइम. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ लिपस्टिक्स. I hoard like tons and tons of lipstick. I know not like the beauty bloggers and all kind of like जो बड़े बड़े beauty bloggers है उनके जितने नहीं है, but for me I hoard a lot of them and I have no clue कि मैं नए कौन से lipstick लूँ, because I have most of the shades I normally use, so I don't find any reason to buy news. Also, I have decided कि मैं एक बार ये सब ख़त्म करूँगी and then I will buy new ones. Okay, so the next very random thing I have stopped buying is coffee mugs. the big ones. I have like two of पहले पुराने वाले mugs है जो पड़े हैं, but for myself पहले मेरे को ऐसा था कि मैं मॉम के साथ डिमार्ट जाती थी. I used to say मम्मी कॉफ़ी मग चाहिए. I used to love buying those very fancy वाले कॉफ़ी मग्स, बड़े छोटे डिज़ाइन वाले, अलग शेप के, ऐसे बहुत सारे थे. अभी रिसेंटली आई हैव स्टॉप्ड ड्रिंकिंग लॉट ऑफ कॉफ़ी, इसीलिए मैंने आधे से आधे कॉफ़ी मग्स यूज़ करती. लाइक 3 ऑफ माई कॉफ़ी मग्स आई यूज़ देम टू लाइक पुट माई मेकअप ब्रशेज़. like I'm using it for some reason at least. and मेरे पास 2 मेसन जार है, एक मेरे दीदी का है और एक मेरा है. so we use that most of the time for coffee, for juice, for anything. that is the best and the cutest thing I would ever have. so I avoid buying any more coffee mugs now because mason jars are in trend right now. and the next one is shoes. I literally have like one pair of sports shoes or runners, one pair of normal college going or like normally ऐसे जब बाहर जाना होता है तब के लिए, and one is like party wear which goes with all my outfits. so I prefer like not buying a lot of shoes. but ये चीज़ के लिए मुझे मेरे मॉम और दीदी से बहुत ज़्यादा डांट पड़ती है because दे आर लाइक तुझे जब गरज होती है तब तेरे पास कुछ नहीं होता है. यू कीप सिट एंड क्राई कि कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास, और फिर हम लोग का पहनती है. तो आई प्रेफर वेयरिंग देयर मम्मी का, दीदी का मेरे को फिट नहीं आता है, तो आई प्रेफर वेयरिंग मम्मी का शूज़, और आई रियली डोंट प्रेफर बाइंग न्यू वंस. सो again this one is again very random. it is candle. Again I am like a candle holder. I love candles. this one smells like spa. literally you're gonna feel like you in like one spa or something like that. like jab you know it is that Thai body massage wala place, you know how it smells. this smells exactly like that. and again this one is very costly. The price tag चला गया है. this one is from Bath and Body Works. you can go and find one for you. उन लोग के पास बहुत सारे हैं. also I have a lot of them from Home Center, scented one. I also have the diffuser. so I think कि candles लाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. you get new diffusers and you get the normal candles. I think that is enough. but still I am like a candle holder, इसीलिए I thought I should stop buying them for now because मेरे पास बहुत सारे हैं, बहुत सारे variants है, बहुत सारे fragrance है. I even have the normal one का ऐसा 2-3 पैकेट पड़ा है because दिवाली में भी यूज़ आता है उसका. so yeah, that is the reason I have stopped buying candles. this was the very last product I have stopped buying. I know they were all very random but makes a huge difference in your life. so tell me what you guys have stopped buying in the comment section. and yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. till then, take care and bye bye.